Okay, let's talk about our solution to surface area problems here. Extra practice A. Again, right now, I'm not grading you anymore, but it is important for you to keep on doing some problems and getting yourself acquainted with this material. It's not going away. You got to know this stuff. All right, so first, talk about problem 1 here, right? Let me get my pen out. Boom. Let's go with green, like green. So we've got our rectangular prism here. We want to find the surface area of it. So we want to take what it takes to cover this piece of material. Now, first thing I'm going to talk about here is what this means here, right? 2 times 6 times 4. Well, you got a front, which is 4 high, and 6 across. Because that 4 right here is right here, right? That's 4 as well. And so you get that. So that one side there, the front right now is 24. We get 2 of it, so it's going to be 48. So that's talking front and back. So I'm just going to put a little green right back there too. So that's those two sides. Now we got our 2 times 6 times 3. Well, 6 times 3, right? 6 times 8. Well, guess what? 6 times, let me get a different color here. Blue. Well, 6 times 3 is kind of going like that, 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 and that. So that's kind of like your bottom and your top. And so your bottom would be 18. 2 times 18, 36. And then last we get the 2 times 3 times 4. Well, that is 3, 4. So that's your right side, and we got our left side. So right side, left side. And so 3 times 4 is 12. There's 2 sides there, so that's 24. Add it all together, and we're talking about 108 feet squared. So square feet, or actually, I don't know why I say feet squared, but no, feet squared, square feet, same difference. So I could have just gone square feet as well, right? Either or, saying the same thing, because we're talking area. Now, let's go over and talk about number 2 here. We have a triangular prism. Well, guess what? It's starting right off the bat here. It's the biggest difference. There's a triangle here, and the triangle on the far side here. There's 2 of them. And that's why I give my 2 right here. Well, when you get a triangle that's, has a base of 4 and a height of 3, and half the base times the height, well, 4 times 3 is 12, half of that is 6, but then we have to go 2 times that 6 to get 12, because we have 6 here and 6 here, right? That's how our 12s appear in there. Now we talk about our other sides here, right? Now go back to green here. Well, 4 times 6. Well, that's talking about the bottom there. Because we have that length there, that 4 here, right? And that's 4 here, 6 here. Then we got our 3 and our 6. Well, get a different color here. Well, that's our 6. That's this wall right here. Because again, there's going to be, 3 lateral faces in addition to those 2 triangles. And so that kind of gives us 18. And then we have our edge over here. We get another one. Let's go. Well, see how well I'll go darker blue. Boom, dark blue. And so that's going to be this 1, 5 here. Going across the top of 6, then down, and boom. So that's going to be that face that you don't really see that well. But there's a face there, right? So add them all up. And what I did is I said, hey, 12 and 18, that's 30. Because 10, 10, and then 10. Because 2 and 8 is 10, so 30. And then I said 24 and 30, 54. And so 84 meters squared, or square meters. All right, I guess I took long enough that I can't give a joke. All right, talk to you later. Hope this helps. If you have any troubles, let me know. Out here.